heart full of hope, I stand before you today at this ground to mark a true transformative moment for the great county government of Kisii. This is not just a groundbreaking. It is breaking over new ground for our economy, our environment, and the future of our children. Today, we lay a foundation stone for the Kisii County Milk Creamery, a project that stands as a testament to our commitment to value addition, economic empowerment, and climate resilience. On economic empowerment through value chain. For too long, our hard work milk producing farmers have been selling their produce at the farm gate price, losing out on value that processing brings. This new creamery plant is a new answer. It is a promise to our farmers that their labor will be rewarded with dignity and better returns. This facility will be a central hub for our milk cooperatives, providing reliable structures and high-capacity market for their aggregated milk. By moving from the simple producing milk to processing high-quality dairy products, we are creating a robust local value chain that will generate jobs, stimulate local business, and inject millions into our people's pockets. This is the true meaning of economic liberation for our dairy sector. This is the only way I agree with the President William Ruto on that thing of economic, what do you call it? They are talking of what? The job I'm not used to reading. What is it? Bottom up. I agree with him because exactly that's what we are doing today here. The foundations, climate resilience and sustainable productions. I want to say this project is a link to our broader strategy for resilience Kisii, a strategy anchored in financing local-led climate action, FLOCA. On investment in our children, the success of these creameries will have an immediate and profound impact on the most important members of our community, our children. I'm delighted to confirm that the milk process right here at this plant will be channeled directly into our flagship school feeding program. KCC today is providing us close to 6 months before we realize on our production from our factory. KCC will partner up with them. Even when our factories are under servicing, I'm sure KCC will be our great partner. I want to thank you because some people that say, oh, Simba has gone, I don't know, to China to bring milk. This is not milk from China. This is milk from KCC. And I want to thank you. You called it Etaya. Let it light to our children and many homes in Kisii. Of course, the envious, they'll always stand on our way. We will not look back as something might be getting on us. We are determined to make it and make sure it works. Good people, allow me to say this. This morning again, after launching the distribution of this milk to our schools, we're going to check on how a modern classroom, which had promised our people at Liangami, where those small babies will be coming in the morning, they watch cartoons, they're watching cartoons, and they have been taught Apa Chata, A, E, I, O, U, then they'll be given milk. Later on, they will be forced to sleep for close to an hour. In those smart classrooms, we have provided learning materials. We have put solar, we have put TV, mattresses, and there will be music. The music which will be opening their brains. That was our whole thing. For our farmers, I want to say this. I know for sure people gave up in keeping of what? Dairy cows. These are encouragement that after operationalizing our factory, many farmers, many of the people who are sitting here, they will make sure they have produced milk for processing. I'm looking forward for a day that I'll convince control budget that I can supply milk to grade 1, grade 2, all the way to grade 9. That's my dream. But for now, I want to assure you, for now, for our PP1 and PP2, they'll enjoy this precious commodity.